A few quick tips ago, I showed you how to snap assets in your comp viewer by clicking the snapping checkbox on. But did you know that you can also use snapping within your timeline with the click of a button? I have 3 layers, some markers, and a few keyframes. Normally, when you scrub your playhead, it moves freely. However, when you hold down Shift while scrubbing, your playhead will snap to elements in its path, including in and out points, keyframes, and markers. And it's not just your playhead that can snap. As I drag layers around, notice how they move freely. But when I hold down Shift while dragging, they snap to any element they pass, including in and out points, keyframes, and markers. The next time you need to snap your playhead or layers in your timeline, remember to hold down Shift as you scrub your playhead or drag your layers.